Hi friends, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna make an unboxing of Red Tape shoe. So I'll be sharing the link at the description, and thank you so much guys for your continuous support and helping me in reaching 7,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your continuous support, and I need your continuous support for my other videos also. And thank you so much as you guys are requesting me to make a video in Hindi, Kannada and other language. I'm trying to make a dedicated channel for Kannada, and I'm trying to make because I'm not that great in Hindi. I'm really trying to make videos in Hindi also. Definitely in upcoming days I'm gonna make videos in Hindi as well as in Kannada. And thank you so much for your continuous support, and let's begin this. Before that, I request you, if you have still not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get all latest notification, so you will not miss any of my video. Please do watch my video, please do comment, give me a feedback so I can improve my video in a better way. Thank you so much. So let's begin this unboxing. So I bought it from Amazon, and I'm gonna show you the invoice and everything. Let's just open this pack now. I got it for a very good discounted price, but I have to see whether the product is that great, or it is of the second quality, or they call it as A grade, and few items they, oh shit, I cut my finger guys. So this, so they say it as rejected piece. Like if the product has got some damage, defect, then they're gonna sell it for the lesser price. Here comes the invoice. This is sold by Cloud Tail, and I got it for 1,255 rupees. This is the invoice which Amazon has given to me. Let's keep this apart, and here comes the Red Tape. This is the box, this is the package which Red Tape has given, and let me just open this box and keep it over here, and nothing else. So the box look very great, and it's very good, so that I can see over here, and this is very nice guys. So when they're coming to the package, it look very good, very nice. So let's open this package and see. I see it's a genuine one, and let's see. Let's open this pack. I'm gonna open this box guys. I hope you people are ready to watch this. Yeah, and oh, the paper is already torn, so I think this was sent for someone else. And here comes the shoes, and yeah, nothing else. This is the normal package. Oh, so guys, so what I feel here is all the shoes, this will be attached, but very nicely this tag is not intact. So this means clearly says this is not a fresh piece for me. I'm sorry, I don't know why Amazon sent this without doing a check, and now I have to be very careful to wash these shoes, because every time this tag will be intact. When you're buying any shoes, it will be in this like intact position, but it says leather, it says the model number, and actual price is 4195, and hope you can see this. It has a Red Tape. It's a original genuine Red Tape, but it's a used one. It's not a, I mean to say, it's not a fresh copy for me. I feel very sad. I thought the sellers or Amazon gonna send me the fresh piece, but it's not a fresh piece. Let's look into the product deeply now. Okay, so you can see the fold over here, guys. So someone has tried this. Someone has, I don't know whether they have used or just tried and returned this. And you can see over here there is a finish issue, but the shoe look very cool, very good. And you can see over here the polish, the finishing is not that great. Yeah, you can see over here the finish at the back is not proper finish. I can feel the folding over here. So someone has tried it and then returned this, and they have restored and they have sent it to me. So you can see over here, guys, there's a lot of difference between the both stitches. I do have a black red tape which I bought from Amazon, but it was the fresh piece. But now the shoe I have received, this is not a fresh piece. I'm pretty disappointed. Shoes are very good. Let me just shoes are pretty good. I like the shoe, but wherein they have sent me a refurbished one, or they have sent me a return piece which another customer has returned. They have sent me these shoes. I'm very much upset. Let me just create a return and let me just go for a replacement or a refund. So my finger got damaged. I cut my finger in the box. And thank you guys for watching this video, and hope this video was useful to you. And when you're placing, make sure you get a fresh piece, because you're paying the amount whatever they're giving a discount, but you're not asking for discount, but they are giving the discount, and they say it's a brand new, but still they have sent me a returned item or a restored item. I'm not happy for that, but the design, the look wise is very good. I'm gonna get it replaced and go for a fresh piece. Until I get a fresh piece, I'll just keep on returning this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful to you. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Please click on bell icon to get my notifications about new upload, and support me, guys. Thank you for watching.